Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about a cash flow statement. So, among those three financial statement, one of the liquidity-based financial statement is cash flow statement. So, cash flow statement is a financial report that details the inflow and outflow of the cash inward as well as cash outflow of the particular business, and its financial report we will be calling as an we will be calling as an cash flow statement. So, within a company over a specific period of time, we will be doing this. Even if it is a year or monthly wise or quarterly wise, we will be doing this. What are the cash inflows and outflows of the particular organization, whether it's some kind of expenditure or other things, we will be saying it as an cash outflow. Even if a kind of income and other source of income what we receive, we will be calling as a cash inflow of that particular organization. Is all about during a specific period of time, maybe we can get loan and other things also based on the cash inflow and outflow. The statement is all about cash flow statement. This statement is only applicable for the liquidity of or liquid cash or cash in hand or a kind of short term statement. It can't says the financial performance of that particular company. It's not we can't able to take those things, but what we can take is the liquidity or short term financing. You can take, you can analysis from this cash flow statement. You can analysis the short term or current asset, current liabilities, or a kind of short term financial things. You can calculate based on that. You can calculate the liquidity of the cash and how its circulation of cash flow and so on. Yes, so it provides an insight into how a company generates the uses of cash for operating, investing, and financial activity. If you take cash flow statement, there will be three things, three activities it will be involving. One is operating activities, one is investing activity, and one more thing is financing activity. So you want to know about each activity because even in any organization or any kind of company, they will be following cash flow in those three things like operating activities, investing activities, and financial activities. What's all about, we'll see to it. Fine. Operating activity is a cash flow from the core business operations such as sales, payment, suppliers, and wages. Operating activity is nothing but the particular organization or a firm will run or it will operate such kind of cash flows, or we will be calling as an operating activities or operational activities of an cash flow statement. If for example, if I am running an food industry, for that particular food industry I need certain I want to do certain business operations like manpower, material cost, as well as a kind of manpower, machinery, maintenance cost, and so on. Everything will comes under operational activities. The cash flow from the core business operation or from that particular business, from the food industry, what are the expense and incomes we are getting out of it, we will be calling as an operating activity. So wages, suppliers is nothing but raw material what we get, equipments or machineries, property what rental and so on, everything comes under operating activities, right? Next is investing activity. Cash flow from the purchase of sales of assets such as property, equipment, or investment. Investing, it's investing in some other company, organization also we can include, but more specifically what they will be speaking about is uh, when investing in certain equipments which have longer lifespan, equipments, properties, and investment. If I am going to own a place 10 to 20 lakh, I can able to include it in an investing activity. A kind of equipment, machineries, and other investment options like furniture, long-term asset can be included in this investing activities. Next is financing activity. Cash flow related to borrowing, repaying debt, issuing stock, paying dividends. These are called as financial activities. Financial activities speaks about totally, it's all about money or a kind of finance. So how I am going to source my capital or source my fund. So cash flow related to borrowing or getting loan or repayment of interest or repayment of entire amount, issuing stocks or paying dividend amount, these are comes under financial activity in cash flow statement. The cash flow statement helps the stakeholders to understand the company's liquidity. As I mentioned before, this cash flow statement not speaks about the financial performance of the particular company. It speaks about company liquidity or solvency. Liquidity or solvency is nothing but it's a kind of cash, liquid cash. And financial flexibility, how financially they are flexible to spend amount, as well as how they are circulating or a kind of circulation of money flow we can able to understand from this cash flow statement. How well the company can generate the cash to meet out the obligation to invest in future growth. So cash flow is more important because the liquid cash, always the maintenance of an organization will be based on the liquid cash. So liquid cash also plays a vital role in an organization. So if you take working capital and other things, day-to-day operation, they need a certain amount. So that those things are comes under cash flow statement. We'll see. Let me take you through a real-time example. Same we'll see now. Okay. Let me take money control and let me share those things. How we'll see how the cash flow statements are there in real time. Will take same Suslan Energy will take same Suslan Energy. Suslan Energy share price is 79.95. We'll take the same share. We'll see the cash flow of this particular company, and let me narrate what is all about those things. Fine. Yes, let's see about what is cash flow. As we see financial activity and another one is investing activity. As we seen in the financial three activities, one is operating, one is investing activity, and another one is financial activity. So here you can able to understand the cash flow of the particular organization. Others means others, they will be considering some other factors which cash inflow and outflow related other flows they will be considered. So net cash flow, how much we are getting, that's all about it. So in operating activity, how much expense, how much cash outflow, how much cash inflow it's happened. So in operating activity, actually 33 is the cash inflow by deducting cash outflow. If you take investing, they have invested lot, like 151 they have invested. So that much they have mentioned over there. And if you take financial activities after sold out and everything, they are able to get 177. So 177 plus 33 minus 151, the total net cash flow is 59. Far better. If you compare to March 2023, it's 100 and minus 133. Comparatively, it's good. They have improved a lot in circulation of cash flow by investing in certain activities. So this is the cash flow statement of the Suslan Energy. So how we can interrupt? So if you want to interrupt this thing, interpretation this thing, operating activity should be higher side. Investing activity also may higher side. That doesn't bother about it, because you are investing in certain things. Maybe you can purchase a land, so it will become an asset. Even you can purchase a kind of furniture, that will become an asset. So investing activity don't need to look more. What you want to look more is you want to know about what is the operating activity cash flow and financial activity cash flow. These two things are plays a vital role that makes you to turn up with good net cash flow. Fine. So this is all about cash flow statement. So we have seen the real-time example how you want to read the cash flow statement and how you want to interrupt and how you want to take the decision making in the cash flow statement also we have seen. Thank you all.